Across the United States, many individuals leaving prison face steep challenges as they attempt to rebuild their lives. They encounter barriers to employment, strained family connections, and difficulties reintegrating into society. Without the right support, too many find themselves caught in a cycle that leads back to incarceration. Recidivism often stems from systemic obstacles rather than individual failings. Many who return to society after serving time lack access to job skills, education, and basic life guidance. Without these tools, even those determined to change their path may struggle to avoid reoffending. Education provides a powerful foundation for breaking this cycle. Programs that offer GEDs, college courses, or vocational training inside correctional facilities give incarcerated individuals a chance to build knowledge, resilience, and problem-solving abilities. For many, this process ignites a passion for learning that continues beyond prison walls. Graduates of such programs often step into new roles as electricians, computer technicians, business owners, or mentors. Education becomes more than a credential. It symbolizes possibility and proof that a person is capable of more than past mistakes. Alongside formal education, skill development opens doors to practical opportunities. Training in areas like construction, welding, carpentry, computer coding, graphic design, and culinary arts equips individuals with marketable abilities. These skills not only improve job prospects but also restore confidence and provide a sense of purpose. However, education and training must be paired with real opportunities. Community programs, nonprofits, and forward-thinking businesses that hire and mentor formerly incarcerated individuals serve as a bridge between learning and meaningful employment. Without this connection, valuable skills risk going unused. Reintegration is not a solitary journey. Family support, mentorship, and community engagement are essential for long-term success. Programs that match returning citizens with mentors offer encouragement, accountability, and emotional stability, factors that are just as important as technical skills. When education, skills, opportunity, and support come together, lives are transformed. Individuals once discouraged and disillusioned can emerge as thriving professionals, parents, and community leaders. Reducing recidivism is not only about preventing crime, it is about building stronger families, safer neighborhoods, and healthier communities.